Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and the crazy dogs in the background. Today we're going to be opening the Lola box. This is $21 a month. You get free shipping with it, 4 to 5 products, valued at $70 or more. I find it's normally way above $70, so that's awesome. And then you can earn points for reviewing your box, which I'm going to be honest, I never do because I'm really bad at remembering that. I always do my Ipsy, but I, for some reason, haven't gotten to do that. So maybe future Sarah editing this, go review your stuff. Okay. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open this up. Okay. So when you open it up, stuff is just falling all over the place. So it always comes with this little card. This is the July box, I should say, which is why the theme is America. So there's that. On the back it has everything that you get and the value, so we will hopefully remember to tell you the value of everything after I show you the item, but let's be honest, I'm not very good at that. But if all else fails, I always put the values in the description box down below, as well as whether items are cruelty free or not. So if that's your thing like it is mine, look for that down there. If you don't care, that's cool too. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out of here is Illegal Eyes Doll 10, I'm thinking mascara. Yes, mascara. This is valued at $20. Let me see if there's any information on here. Doesn't tell me if it's cruelty free, so I'm gonna wait and well, let's just open it. I can always give it to somebody else if it's not my thing. So the color is not on here, but it looks like it's just black. Pretty basic one. Hold on, let me get myself out of frame so you can look at that. If it ever would focus. Anyways, that's just basic black mascara. $20. Lengthens and curls, so well it should be illegal. It has marula oil and vitamin B3 to nourish and lengthen the appearance of lashes. And then a little bit of rice bran wax to boost curls, so that's cool. Alright, so I will definitely look into this and try it out and see if it makes my eyes look criminal, as it says on here. Okay. I'm in a mood. Okay, so let's see. The next thing I'm seeing is from Cinema Secrets. Cruelty free right on the back, so that's awesome. This is a super sealer. Don't work harder, work smarter with this all-in-one makeup primer and setting spray. Works under, over, or even mixed with makeup to create a matte anti-shine finish. That's the thing. I'm not really into a matte finish. It looks really good on other people, but for some reason it makes me look a little old, probably because I am a little old. So let's just go ahead and see, though. It is cruelty free, so I actually didn't put any setting spray on today, so I will go ahead and spray this on and see if we like it. Oh, it's kind of a wet spray. Ooh, it smells like alcohol, big time. Is that normal? None of my setting sprays smell like alcohol. Woo! So I'm not a fan of the sprayer. Honestly, it's very wet. It's not like a nice mist like the other ones I've tried. The one I'm using right now I think is from BH Cosmetics, which I really like. Or no, is it Milani? I can't remember. But maybe this would be really good for like using with makeup on to wet a brush or whatever. So I would definitely play around with it to see if I like it. It's still a little wet on my face, but the smell I'm not a fan of putting on my face or near my eyes. So there's that. That retails for $14. So, all right, got 3 more things in here. Let's see. This is from Juice Beauty. This is cruelty free. I do know that I've tried some of their stuff in the past. This is the Green Apple Cleansing Bar. It's interesting. I do like the smell of green apples. I don't know if I want my body to smell like it, but it doesn't really smell like green apples, though. Maybe when wet, but it's just a little tiny bar of soap. It'd be really good for traveling or whatever. So, yeah, I'm not mad about that. Let's see how much this retails for. $12? That seems like a lot for a tiny bar of soap. I mean, I buy, like, more expensive body soap, like the Method and Tom's, and it's like $5 for 1 bar, but $12 for that tiny little thing? I don't know. We'll see. It says it does exfoliate a little bit, so we'll see. There's that. I wouldn't pay $12 for this, but maybe somebody else would. Okay, got 2 more things. The next one is from Wander Beauty. Gosh, I've been getting so much of their stuff in boxes lately. I do really, really like this brand, so I'm not mad about it. I just got a mascara or something in some box. It's hard to keep up with. You know, when I want to know where I got stuff from, I have to like go look at my older videos. I'm like, where did I get this from? Okay, so what is this? This is dual lipstick. I guess I should have showed you the packaging, but I'll just show you this itself. I don't even know if you can read that. It's so shiny. My camera doesn't like shine. Okay, so let's see. One side is just like this little nude lip color, which I really like. It's right up my alley, like a pinky nude, more pink nude. And then on this side we have, oh, another pink. Well, that's neat. I like that. So it's 2 lipsticks in one. So there's the color side by side. If I had to pick one, probably be the pinker one. But yeah, wow, that's neat. How cute is that to only have to put this one thing in your bag to get 2 lip colors? I like that a lot. Let's see. Oh, crap. Oh, it has a color. So the one front row is the darker pink, and Socialite was the more nude color. So yeah, that's awesome. This retails for $30, which, I mean, if you're thinking that's $15 for one tiny lipstick, that's a little much, but I do like this brand, so I will give these a try. I guess I could swatch them for you. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm just in a mood, like I said. So there's the 2 colors side by side. So you can see they're both really, really pretty colors, and they both feel really, really creamy. Sometimes I do like a cream finish kind of lipstick. So there's that. All right, one more thing in here. This is from I can never say this word. It's wrapped in bubble wrap and then wrapped in plastic again. So this is Aesthetic, just whatever that word says. It is a contour palette. This brand is cruelty-free. They are gluten-free, all that good stuff. So it's contour, highlight, and blush. So it's called Jetsetter because I'm assuming it's good for travel. Here's a picture of the colors on the back in case you're curious. So it's got a little mirror in there, and then here's 3 colors. I'm honestly not going to swatch this. I have quite a bit of contour and kits similar to this that I don't need anymore. I don't even contour my face. I don't even know how to. I'm not that advanced. I'm just a person who really likes makeup. I'm not really a person who's really good at makeup. So this I will put to the side for a giveaway. So hopefully somebody else can use it. It does have like instructions right there on how to contour. I just don't do it. I don't know. I feel like I already spent so much time on my makeup to make it look mediocre. I don't have time for this. So those who can do it, more power to you. It's just something I'm not good at. So while I'm excited about this, I'm not gonna use it. It retails for $25. So yeah, overall, I can't math, but this box is 55, 75, 85, 89, 99, 101. If I'm mathing correctly, I'll put it down below in case I'm mathing incorrectly. So yeah, don't forget I do have a giveaway going on right now, so if you want to be entered into that, I'll put a link down below. I'll put a card up above. If you want to see, sorry, he's the star of the show, let's be honest. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more crazy dogs in the background, more of me not knowing what the heck's going on, hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.